Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the lines and angles. Lines and angles, chapter 6, class 9 mathematics. Okay friends, we have already know about the lines, what is line segment, what is ray, and today we will discuss what are the different type of angles found, what are the relation of angles with the line, how angles are formed, how angles are measured, what different type of angles are there, and related numeric problems we can say. Let us start. So we know that a line, so what will let us draw a point here. This is called a line. Suppose x and y, it is called xy line. Okay friends, if one part of this line is cut having one endpoint. Suppose the line will be cut here, then it will give a ray. Suppose you can say a y. Let us say if the line has two endpoints, suppose say this one. If it has two endpoints like this, no arrow marks there, then it called but suppose it let us say it is a b, so it is called segment or line segment. So friends, two endpoints is called segment, single endpoint it is called array, and no endpoints it is called the line. Okay friends, this is called line. If two or more points, if more than 2 points will be in this line, then these points will be called as collinear points. Collinear means in a single line. If all the points lie in the line, then it is called collinear point. And if they are not in line, suppose in this case, if they are lying out of this line, it's called non-collinear. Non-collinear points. Okay, friends. So let us move towards the angle. What is an angle? An angle is formed where two rays meet at a point, an intersect at point here, and this point is called vertex. And this, suppose this, let us take this point o, let us take this a, this is b. So a o a is day, o b is another day. They are meeting at a point o, they are meeting at point or intersecting at point o. Now this is called the angle. Let us take this x degree, otherwise you can see theta degree. So this point is called o, is called here vertex, and the oa is called R. OB also is called R. So this angle AOB can be written OAB angle. And if the angle A means measurement of this angle. So this is called angle. OAOB. O here is the vertex. OA is the one of the ray, OB is another ray, and X is the angle. And this value of angle, as we have seen here, 90 degrees is there. So value of this X falls between 0 degree to 90 degree. That means the value of this angle lies in this field. That means it is called an acute angle. Acute one. So let us discuss different type of angles. So this is types of angles. So angles are three types. On the basis of their measurement, angles are divided into three types. Number one is your acute angle, less than 90 degree, and right angle equal to 90 degree, and obtuse angle more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. You can say acute angle, acute, right angle, and obtuse angle. Okay, friends. Right angle, acute angle and obtuse angle. The value of this, suppose value of this angle x degree is less than 90 degree. Here value of the angle x degree equal to 90 degree. Here value of x degree is greater than 90 degree and less than 180. So these are the different types of angles. Let us see the drawings. This is an acute angle. This is a right angle, and this is the obtuse angle. So this is obtuse angle greater than 90 degree. This is equal to 90 degree, and this is less than 90 degree. So these are the different type of angles on the basis of their measurements. Okay, friends. Now let us discuss your some more angles. Some more angles are there. Straight angle. If this angle is, suppose this angle is 180 degree, then this is called straight angle. In this case, what x is equal to 180. Okay, this is the number 4 types angle. Next, another one is reflex angle. Another one angle is called reflex angle. So not this angle. When we are measuring this angle, that means it is this angle. Suppose this is your 60 degree, then this is your 120 degree, not 120 degree. You see, this is 360. This is 300 degree because the total is 360 degree. If this is 60 degree, then we are talking about this angle, the outer angles here. So in this case, this angle is greater than what? Greater than, this is greater than 180 degree. This angle is called reflex angle. So this is angle is called reflex angle. This value is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So this is called reflex angle. So we have already discussed different five types of angles are there as I told. Number one is your acute angle. Number two is your right angle. Number three, obtuse angle. Number four, straight angle. Number five, what is reflex angle? So this is called a reflex angle. So okay, friend, acute angle less than 90, right angle equal to 90, greater than 90, but less than 180, straight equal to 180 degree, it is greater than 180, and less than 360. So this is called reflection. These are the different types of what angles. Now let us see the linear pair of angles. Complementary angles. Complementary angles. Children, if the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then it is called complementary angles. That means x is an angle, y is another angle. If their sum is 90 degree, then one is complementary to other. Then y, if the value of y can be calculated 90 degree minus x degree. That means this is the complementary angle of x degree and angle y. They are complementary to each other. Complementary. So see, suppose we are going to find the complementary angle of 45 degree. That means complementary angle of 45 degree is equals 90 minus 45 degree, that is 45 degree. Okay, 90 by complementary angle of 50 degree. Let us calculate. The complementary angle of 50 degree is equal to 90 degree minus 50 degree equal to 40 degree. So when we are going to calculate the complementary angle, we just subtract from the first 90 degree. Because their sum is 90 degree, that's why they are called complementary to each other. Their x and y are complementary to each other. They are complementary to each other. Okay. Now let us see what are the supplementary angles. Two angles are said to be supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. That means suppose x degree plus y degree is equal to 180. If the sum of x and y is 180 degree, then it is supplementary of y, supplementary of x is y, and the supplementary of y is x. So it can be calculated x degree equal to 180 degree minus 1 degree, and y is calculated as 180 degree minus x degree. That means, example, find the supplementary angle of 60 degree. To find the supplementary angle of 60 degree, you have to find the supplementary of 60 degree. Supplementary angle of 60 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree, so is equal to 120 degree. Okay friends, the supplementary angle of 60 degree is 180 degree, and let us say supplementary angle of 120 degree. The supplementary angle of 120 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree, sorry 120 degree equal to 60 degree. So friends, okay, when we are talking about supplementary angles, means we are talking about the angles that their sum is 180 degree. Their measurement togetherly equals 180 degree. Okay, and in order to get the supplementary angle of one of them, you just subtract the other. In this case, x and y degree is 180 degree. So x degree is equal to 180 degree minus y degree, and y, the measurement of y is equal to 180 minus x, value of x. Okay. Now let us see linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. Let us draw one. Suppose you say x, this is y. So this, let us say this is P. Here you see this angle POY. This is your angle POY, and this angle is called POX. This angle is called POX. This is your POX, and this is called POY. So here in this case, we know that POX plus angle POY is equal to 180 degree. Because you see, because this you see here, because you see, if you will white this one, then it will be what? It will be a straight line, means it will be a straight angle. We know that the measurement of straight angle is 180 degree. So that means If this line will be white, then it will give rise to 180 degree. So this is divided into two parts, means togetherly they are 180 degree. So these are what called linear pair of angles. Then you see they have this is the common point and this is their common R. This is a common R. Okay. This this is the common R and this is the vertex. And these are not called non-common arms. Here non-common arms are OX and OY, and the common arms is common arm is OP. This is the common arm. So this value is 180, which is called a linear pair of angles. Next come to vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Suppose two lines here. This is 0 point of intersection. P Q R S. Suppose these are two lines. Two lines say say this is you see here P Q. One line is your P Q, another is called R S. They are intersecting at point O. Here P Q and line R S intersecting at point O, by which four angles are formed due to their intersection. You see this angle and this angle is opposite to each other, and this angle is opposite to each other. So this is called opposite to each other. And these are angles are called vertical opposite angles. Vertical opposite angles. So let us name this names. Vertical opposite of POS. POS equal to ROQQOR. This angle equal to this vertical opposite angles, and this angle equal to this vertical opposite. You can write POR is vertical opposite to QOS. So friends, these are formulas, and the sum of these values is 28. So we can write these are what the values of these angles are. Total you can write POS plus QOR plus POR plus QOS gives 360 degree. The sum of these angles is 60. Okay, these angles are called vertical opposite angles, and the vertical and opposite angles are found where two lines cross each other or intersected at a single point. This is the part 1 of this video. In the next class, we will discuss more about this. Okay.